All right, I'm very exciting because I have not, I have never owned a Tom Bihn bag before. So finally, my very first Tom Bihn bag. What exactly this is? All right, let's unbox it. I usually don't do unboxing video, but honestly, very exciting. Never owned a Tom Bihn. I just want to see how it looks. All right, get my Chris Reeve dispenser, 21 here. Oh man, I don't know. Where's something? Okay. Get to know some of the other cool people who have our bags, review, photos, video, discussion, news. Okay. Twitter account. Okay. Oh my goodness. What do we have here? My classic burnt orange colorway. I love burnt orange. Finally got a burnt orange. Oh my goodness, it looks so cool. It looks so much cooler than in picture and video, honestly. Look at this. Burnt orange. Now, why am I choosing burnt orange? Very simple. Because it's burnt orange. It's classic, you know, it's like 70s, 80s, you know. The bag are in this classic color. Alright. There's nothing else in the box except the bag. No brochure, no extra paper that for you to throw away. Okay, all right. Oh, okay, there's a little tag here. Okay, cool. Oh, burnt orange. Oh, it's not that big. Oh, by the way, this is the Synik 22. I don't want it 30. 30 is way too big, but 22 is awesome. It's so okay. 525 ballistic lion. Very nice. Oh man, the legendary shoulder pad with a little strap here. Oh man, it feels really good. It feels really solid. Okay, very lightweight, not too heavy. The legendary zipper. Let me try it out. Oh my gosh, I'm a nerd. I love this stuff. Oh man, this is beefy. I think this is YKK10. Let me see. Oh my goodness, this is very beefy zipper. Usually people don't zoom in and look at this stuff. I do. Look at this. Just feel the sound. Oh, and it go all the way down here. The zipper, it's like a clamshell. I'm gonna be using this one for my camping trip tomorrow. All right, look at this. This is like a little pouch for laptop and, you know, clothing. You can strap it up. Strap it up. Little compartment here. I mean, people who know about Tom Bihn knows all this stuff. To me, it's brand new. I never used Tom Bihn. Okay, see this waterproof zipper right here. This is the 420 material, waterproof, water resistant, whatever it is. This is the pouch that is very deep, pretty deep, really. I think this is a small pouch right here. This is a deeper pocket. Okay, let me see if I can fit this guy here. I don't think so. This is a 26 ounce. I don't think so, man. No way. Yeah, a little bit too high. I mean, without this cap, I think it will fit. But with this one, I don't think so. Let me try a smaller one. Just for the fun of it. Okay, this one. This one should be fine. Yep. Can I fit one more? Say the Flip 5. Oh yeah, it works. So you can put 2 bottles. Or 1 bottle, 1 speaker. Whatever you like. Oh, this one is turning into a review. No, just a first impression. I'm just very, very excited about this Tom Bihn. Because I never owned a Tom Bihn, you know. To me, this is like a bag. And every bag nerd should at least have a Tom Bihn once. The logo is super nice. Classic. I love it. Since 1972, I haven't even born yet. Portable culture. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be getting so much use out of this one for fun. Okay. So the side pocket here. Let me just open it and check it out. Oh, okay. Very roomy. I'll be packing the crap out of this one tonight to use it. And then I will shoot a video to review this one. I'll be taking this one to camping with my iPad and stuff. The bag is really well built, especially the shoulder. The shoulder is really chunky and soft. Okay, and then this is the 22 liter. Okay. Oh, let me side by side with a 21 gold rug and see how it looks. Okay. The zipper is pretty new, so a little bit tight, but it's solid. Tight, solid, whatever you want to call it. But this one doesn't look too big. This is not a big bag on your back. It looks tiny. I'm about 5'11", so this bag will look very proportionally small on my back. Okay, let's side by side with a Gold Rock 21. Okay, this is 21. Definitely look bigger than the 22. Okay. Wow, significantly taller. The Gold Rock significantly taller. Side, I would say about the same. Maybe a little bit wider in the bottom, but not a lot. Okay. Yeah, so this one definitely feels more compact, but this is 22. Okay, I'm sure when they pack up, it will see different. Or they're basically being conservative. I mean, when it comes to the liter, the capacity. 21, this one definitely feel bigger. Okay? All right, let's focus on the Synik. Oh my goodness, I love this thing. I'm gonna pack a lot of stuff in it. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's the zipper tie, just to make the zipper more easy to pull. Cool. Little keychain thing, all right. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna fall in love with this one. I can tell already. It doesn't look outdated. I purposely buy this color because it looks classic and fun, and it pop. The color pop, you know. And the second reason is I can never buy a burnt orange for my stepsister. I'm looking for one for her for years. So when I see burnt orange, I may as well get this one for myself. If this thing is good, I wonder if I should buy one for my stepsister. I don't know. She's very picky about the style of bag. I'm not quite sure this is her style, but hey, you never know. A zipper here, awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna love this thing. Oh, it's not so much. It doesn't look so turtle shell on your back yet. I'm gonna pack it up and I'll see. But let me see. Oh man, this thing is comfortable on your back. Oh my goodness, 22 is a good size. For this is definitely a EDC category. 30, I think it may be too big. But if you put a laptop on it, I don't think it's gonna be a huge problem. But 22 is definitely a, you know, everyday carry bag. This is, I can tell you, I can go biking trip or hiking with this thing. Definitely. I'm so excited. Somebody call me. I have to pick up the phone. Perfect time to end the video. See you later.